Welcome to Shadescape's Outdoor Design Series. Today our subject is privacy lattices. This is a privacy lattice. Some privacy lattices are solid. Some, like this one, aren't. Others still are diagonal. Now before we go and get into form, let's talk about function. From growing vines to guiding traffic to simply providing a little bit of privacy, a privacy lattice can do quite a lot for your structure. Now, to form. Privacy lattices can add verticality to your structure, filling in the spaces between the posts. And, paired with vines, they can add a rich, earthy feel to your structure. It's easy to see the benefits of adding a privacy lattice to your shadescape structure. Thirst for knowledge not quite quenched? Check out these other videos or go to shadescape.com.